8 tips that will make your videos go from where it is now to the Netflix standard. If you are starting on YouTube and want to create high quality videos, this video is for you. I am sharing the exact tips that help me upgrade my content without breaking the bank, and you can use this tool by starting today. The first one is film the right orientation. Oh my god, I've seen a lot of people that will film in portrait for a YouTube video that is supposed to be a landscape. Your orientation has to be right. If you are creating a YouTube video, then your film should be horizontally placed. It is not straight line like this. It is supposed to be landscape instead of the normal portrait view. Normal portrait view is for TikTok, Instagram, and every other platform aside from YouTube. So if you want to create a quality video on YouTube, you have to start by ensuring that your orientation is right, because that can actually bore your viewers. Imagine them coming to watch a video and it's like this instead of like this. They might end up even just scrolling and we are looking for videos that are in better orientation. So proper orientation makes your video look professional and it brings out the quality. It makes your video to be, if you watch your video in full screen, you'll be able to see everything without it's not just staying in between the middle of the screen. That can be very annoying, even if you are watching it yourself. The next tip is clean your camera lens. Oh my god, do you know this tip actually is something that popped up in my mind right now when I was filming this video? I was looking at my camera as I was trying to set up my camera. I saw that when I was testing, the video quality was not that good. I'm wondering why. This is the camera, why is it not coming out so clear? So you know that immediately I took my clothes and I wiped out, I cleaned the lens of this camera. Oh my god, I got the quality I was looking for. So sometimes you're just one step away from that quality by just cleaning your camera. You don't know where you've placed your phone. If you're using your phone, you might have placed your phone somewhere and the lens is already dirty. So that simple tip of cleaning your camera, do not forget. Every time you want to film your video, even if your phone is clean, please take like a dappy cloth, a cloth that is a little bit, you can just wet it a little, not wet it, you can clean it a little, just make it, ensure that the cloth is something very, very soft like a cotton, and ensure a cotton material, and ensure that you wipe, clean it very well, clean it 2-3 times, and ensure that your camera is very clean and crystal clear. Then you can be able to get that video quality that you're looking for. I know this tip is very, very like cliche, but let me tell you, most times we forget because we're always very, very focused on trying to make our video. Number 3 tip is have a good background. Oh my god, background is very important. See, if you're asking me what should you choose between spending your money on a good camera or a good background, I'll say spend your money on ensuring that you have a good background, because that is the first point of contact for your viewers. Okay, ensure that your background is clean. Even if it's going to be a plain background, ensure that it's clean. Ensure that you go for a color that is very, very subtle and very nice, and try and put things that are nice. You know, when your viewers first click your videos, but for the fact that they will look at your face, they will look at your surroundings too. So while they are even doing that, you are gaining audience retention. They are trying to scan through your background, trying to pick 1 or 2 things. So ensure that your background is very, very nice, and you can do this by just like getting is a little of maybe filming in your sitting room like I am doing right now, or even you are going to film in your house. Make sure that you put something that is nice behind, even if it's to move furniture from one place to another. It is worth it. Just try and move it, or you sit where is the best place in your house, the finest section in your house. Put it out there, sit there. It is not irrelevant. It is very, very, very important. That's the next thing that I look out when I'm filming a very quality video. The 4th thing to also note is use natural lights. Can you guess what do you think I'm using right now? Artificial light like softbox or ring light, or a natural light? What do you think I'm using right now? Well, if I must tell you or shock you, I'm using a natural light. I'm directly in front of an open window, wide open. I'm using a natural light. So ensure that you always use natural light. Face a window or a light source. Do not film with lights behind you. It makes you look like a shadow. Good lighting matters more than fancy gears. Ensure that you are sitting in front of a window. Open the window. It's better for your video to be very, very bright and clear than for you to be backlit light and it's dark or you're not looking like a shadow of yourself. Do like this. Open your window, face your window, put your phone there, support it with something. If you don't have a tripod stand, it's not a must to have a tripod stand. Support it with something that ensure that your phone is well steady and ensure that there is enough light to show your face and everything in your video. The sixth point is keep your camera steady. Use a tripod stand or a prop to hold your phone. You can use book. If you don't have tripod stand, use book. I even saw a video where somebody used clip to hold their phone. I don't know if you've seen that video. If I see the video, I can attach it to this particular video. Use clip, use anything, but the goal is to ensure that your video is steady. It is not shaky footage like a non-professional. When you watch movies, imagine watching a movie and your camera is shaky. It's just to avoid distraction so that they can be able to focus on what you're trying to say. A stable shot builds credibility even with a phone. Yeah, it doesn't matter what you're using. Ensure that you are consistent. The seventh point is record in a quiet place or you get a good microphone. Make sure that the space is quiet, close, window closed. Good audio is essential for low quality visuals, but they cannot tolerate a video that the audio is noisy, echo filled video. No mic. Then speak clearly if you have no mic and stay close to your phone mic. Okay, ensure that it is clear. I'm using a mic right now and I'm putting it directly to my mouth because I want you to hear everything I'm saying. So if you do not have a mic, you can then as well come close to your phone, ensure that your phone audio or the mouthpiece is working very well and they can hear you. And also while editing, there are also editing apps that you can use to increase the volume of your video, like CapCut. There is a place where you can actually reduce the noise. You can also use that feature to ensure that your audio is crystal. Next point is don't overthink, just start. I remember when I was starting out, I was overthinking a lot of things, and at the end of the day I realized I was just wasting my time. Let me just start creating content and then we'll know what to do next. You don't need fancy equipment or perfect editing. Focus on delivering value and improving every video. The most important thing is you are getting better by the day. The way to grow is to start, even if it is messy. Those are the simple steps I follow to improve my video quality, and I still use them till date, even till right now that I'm filming my video. You don't need to overcomplicate the process. Just start what you have, apply these tips that I've shown you, and grow from there. Remember, always clean your camera lens. If this helped you, then check out my previous videos on how to put your content out there, because after you've made your video, then the next thing is editing. I have a video for you to know how to edit your video. You know the sound we talk about, the audio we talk about. There's a video on how to make your audio and video par while editing. So run to my other videos and check them out. So don't forget to also subscribe and like this video, and also leave a comment for me. Did you find any of this tip helpful? Is there any other one you want to add to it? Let the conversation continue in the comment section. And until I come here with more videos that is going to help you, I remain your media assistant. To the